easiest way to solve if mawalan tayo ng PLDT internet. So type lang natin dito sa Messenger, Facebook Messenger, PLDT Home. Yan yung may blue badge, yung first PLDT Home. Press natin. Yan. So message natin. Help. Or menu. Yan. So, are you an existing PLDT Home subscriber? Yes. Then please have your account number and telephone number ready before proceed. This can be found in your statement of account. So proceed. Yan. Yan. Please enter your area code and telephone number. So sa area code namin dito, Cebu is 032. Then yung telephone number natin. So yung goal natin dito is ma-report natin na nawalan tayo ng internet connection, tapos to get repair ticket, and once we have the repair ticket na mga 2 to 3 days may tatawag or pupunta na sa inyo na mga yung magtatrabaho ng lost internet connection niya. So ganun lang ka-easy mag-report, kasi minsan sa 171 medyo mahirap mag-connecta doon. So dito na lang sa Messenger. Thank you. Bye bye.
The real fountain.